Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic femalehoodie.com reviews. Is femalehoodie.com legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question: should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. Femalehoodie.com is an online shop that deals in high quality clothing for both women and men. This company has gained immense popularity in countries like United States. So friends, this is the website, and first of all, let's go to their payment policy. So you can pay through debit or credit card on femalehoodie.com. Also you can pay through PayPal. Now let's go to their shipping policy. Femalehoodie.com ships worldwide to nearly every country across the globe. They employ the services of major trusted international carriers to ensure your package arrives to your destination fast and securely. You can confirm your order and there will be a confirmation email will be sent to you, and processing would take 1 to 4 business days and shipping would take 7 to 15 business days. So you will get your tracking address, tracking number. Also there is free shipping over $69 and standard shipping $8.9. So friends, before moving forward, I request you all to please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a legit or a scam website. This website uses HTTPS protocol, which is a safe protocol to be used. Also, I have checked on WHOIS. The domain name was created on 11th November 2020, and which is a very new website, so we cannot say much about this website. Now, let's see about our section. Femalehoodie.com is an international B2C fast fashion e-commerce platform. The company mainly focuses on women's wear. They offer a select choice of women's tops and blouses, women's dresses, women's swimwear, women's jeans, and much more to deck out your wardrobe with style. Our affordable collection are all about refining trends, design excellence and exceptional quality to satisfy the needs of every aspiring fashionista. Now, let's check out their prices. Their prices are good to be true. So there is no discount going on currently on their website. Also, they have given their email ID and no phone number is available on the website, but you can send them a message. Also, there is no social media icons given on the website, and that's a negative sign. There is no physical address given on the website. Now let's go to their return and refund policy. At femalehoodie.com, customer satisfaction is always their top priority. So you can exchange or refund your order. You can send them any message or write on their email ID. Also, there is a cancellation policy and 30-day return warranty. So this is their return and refund policy. Now, I have checked on Trustpilot for the customer reviews, and there are 0 reviews on Trustpilot, and that's a very negative sign for the website. So on the basis of the above checkpoints, we can say that this website is potentially a scam website. But please do your research before ordering anything from this website, and if you have ordered anything from this website, do tell your experiences in the comment section below. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video every day, so keep commenting. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe.